Right.
Like a ballooner.
You guys need to tell me like the charms you want, and then I'll start.
But like, what if you take it
These are the
outside and
glass
just
ones.
Oh,
You
the
got
wind will
40
just
of
take
them.
it away.
So use those for trade and do.
It's gone if it goes outside.
Beads in your thing. You got 40
or more.
Oh, no, you don't have it.
Oh yeah.
If you want them to go die,
Grandma
like
kind of
down.
got crazy. And then I wanted to get the antique silver ones, but I bought the wrong size. So
I
you
gotta weigh
can
him down a little bit.
do all different combinations.
Okay,
So do whatever you want with
all
them.
right. And if
Thank
you want them
you.
to go
Oh, you
all
are
the
welcome,
time,
dear.
do that.
Let me know if you want some of the antique silver.
Ryan, can I try?
Fish. You gotta.
Yeah, try it!
I think we did it this year.
It's an angry fish!
It's an angry bird.